Hey guys, welcome back to the video, and today I'm gonna go explore island, go fishing, and even roast marshmallows over a fire. So stick around for the ride to see what happens, and let's get straight into the video. Okay, so we've made it to this island here. We have gone to this island before. It's actually called Nora's Island. I'll show you the sign. But we just parked our boat there, tied it to the tree. And yeah, let's see what we can find. There's a cool little hole down here in the tree. I don't know if that's from an animal or just the tree roots are showing like that. And also looks like here some woodpeckers may have been, or a woodpecker may have been digging in the tree for insects, which is their food. Some animals in the winter may come on this island. We've actually seen a pack of wolves cross the lake in the winter because the water is all frozen, so anyone or anything can walk on it. So animals can come here and eat and all that. The view on this island is always very nice. That is so strange. We just found
there's lots
poo here.
Could be rabbit poo.
Nope. It's either deer or rabbit poo. If it's deer poo, that's very interesting. I did not think there'd be.
That's deer.
Is it deer poo?
Yep.
Wow.
So there's deer on this island.
I did not think there'd be deer on this island. It's probably they come over winter, I'm guessing, because there's literally no other way to get on this island. So we're gonna get off the island soon, but there's a duck on the other side. We're already back. Oh, so there it is. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's not a mallard, I don't think. But there he is. Right there. It's a cute little duck. But we're gonna get off the island now, and maybe we'll go fishing. We'll see. Okay, so now we're gonna go to a bay with a little lake area, basically, and we're gonna go fishing. Hopefully we can catch something. Not making any promises, but hopefully we can catch something. So we've got to the perfect spot in this bay for fish. It actually goes pretty far down there. And hopefully we can find something. A few weeks ago we couldn't get anything, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. So in this area,
Oh, we got one.
Oh, my dad got one. Dad reeled it in.
I don't know if he's on very well.
First catch. Look at that. He's going under. Oh, that was a good one, Dad.
It's a rock bass.
Rock bass, that's pretty good. Fun fact is I actually don't like touching the fish. Oh. It's actually not hurting the fish when we catch them because they have like no nerves or anything in their mouths, so it doesn't hurt them. We got one. What is that?
Oh, Lily, you got a nice bass.
Oh.
Okay, let some line out.
Yeah.
Keep it in the water for a second. You want me to take it off? You want to try taking it off?
Can you take it off?
Okay, here.
That is so cool. Wow. That is a nice bass. I'm holding my first fish. This is crazy. Oh. Go. That was so gross. It's actually very good here for fish, like bass and all that, because of the weeds that are, there's so much weed and
Weeds, and there's old tree stumps and logs buried.
Oh, got one.
All right.
Oh, it's a tiny one.
Little bass.
Good.
Good one.
Very good. That's pretty cool. Oh. Yeah, I actually didn't think I was gonna catch any this time, but that was pretty nice. I think we'll probably go back soon though. Okay, so I had a lot of fun fishing. We did catch 3 fish, 2 bass, which were 2 bass and 1 rockfish. But now we're gonna make the fire and roast some marshmallows. So yeah, my dad's already studying, so I gotta get some stuff ready. So to make a fire, you want it to be all dry everywhere. So get dry logs, dry sticks and everything. And on the inside or the middle, you want like papers and cardboards and thin sticks like kindling or just, yeah, thin sticks, and then logs on the outside. One last marshmallow, and it's gonna be a tiny one this time. Just by itself too. Finishing product.
Looks good.
That one's actually nice and soft on the inside.
We're gonna try one of these big ones.
The big ones are hard to cook.
I know. I'm gonna see if I can master it.
If you guys have enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and new contents will be coming out every week. And if you have any suggestions for me or want to see some updates or posts, go to my post tab in my channel also was called the community tab. And yeah, and if you guys have watched until this moment, which is the end of the video, thank you so much, because I know that not many of you guys do this and watch until the end of the video. And yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.